Hi friends, Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss about the ISO. What is mean by ISO? ISO is the International Organization for Standards. This is established in 1946 in London. There were 65 people's committee came together and they were thinking about the international standard for the equality throughout the globe. So in 1947, they have established the ISO standard. They all come together and they have established independent body, independent organization for the standard throughout the global level. How this word came ISO? It is the Greek word ISOS. It is the ISOS. It is the Greek word that is the equal. So they have established this word from ISO and ISOs converted into ISO as per the equality standard. So all the international people came together and they have think about the international standard, equal standard for the safety, quality and equivalency throughout the globe. Now the people came together and what is the importance of this standard they have decided, because each organization and industry working for their international level and for their independent growth. So how we can maintain this growth? They have decided to maintain this equal growth throughout the standard and throughout the global. So they have established this standard, and this standard is not compulsory, but it is useful to grow your business. And most of the businesses prefers this standard, like the ISO 9001 quality management standard. Throughout the industry, it is using most of the aerospace as well as other automobile industry, electronics industry, all these industry. Nowadays the pharmaceutical industry always utilizing these standards. This standard is useful throughout the globe, and people follows all the rules, regulation, commitment throughout the quality and the equivalency for the globe. Now this standard existence and people compare to the other businesses, and they have when decided to compare with their partners, with their competitors, that time they have decided the higher level of standard we have to maintain to receive the most of the business. And to get most of the business, people are decided to stand away out of the crowd. So if there are suppose in the one industry there are suppose thousands of company and one of the companies ISO certified, it means they have the standard for the organization and they are working for the quality system. So there are the policies, procedures, systems throughout the globe, and they were implementing in the world. Now the benefit of this ISO is that people are utilizing this standard throughout the globe. They were differentiating them in as compared to the other competitors, and they were most of the extraordinary companies in the world. So how you can be the extraordinary? You can be the extraordinary when you have the good system, quality and efficiency. If you are the expert in your area, it means you have more opportunity to grow your business. You have more opportunity to stand alone apart from the crowd and show distinguish to the world that you are better as compared to your competitor. So that is the importance of ISO. ISO also teaches, guides us to grow your business, customer focus, relationship, as well as the quality, efficiency and the safety. All these commitments comes to the ISO standard, and this integrates to the world, and it decides to grow internationally. So when this ISO standards, any institution, any company or organization takes it, it increases an opportunity to grow their business throughout the globe. It means we do not have to compulsion to get this certification, but like that ISO standard 9001 for the quality management, then your energy standard, then your environment standard 14001, 50001 is the energy management standard. All these standards categorizes that your industry or your company is dealing with the customer and the environment with the most of care, and you are taking care and you are protecting the environment throughout the globe. So that is the importance of this standard. And whenever you are focusing on the business in the government order or in the government competition, the people or the government focusing on those industry, they are the ISO certified. So there is your importance. When you are getting any government program, any government order or relation to the government business, that time government checks if your company is ISO certified and you have a good standard, quality standard, environment standard, energy standard, IT standard. So all these standards are useful and you are considered that you are the best in the industry. So that is the benefit of ISO. And ISO always guides us to the implementation of good leadership in the world, as well as to monitor the customer focus, to maintain the business growth, as well as to reduce the waste and to reduce the rejects. So you will be always focused on the your customer centric. All these benefits are from the ISO certification, and these standards throughout the world, all the industry is utilizing. Most of the industries are accepting that ISO is compulsory. They are maintaining these standards, and with these standards, people are satisfied and to grow their business consistently. So that is the importance of ISO. That is the benefits of ISO and why ISO is required. We have explained here. Hope this video you likes it, subscribe it, comment it. Thank you.